Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic criteria for similarity of two triangles, and also we were solving some problems of exercise 6.3. Today I am going to start new topic, areas of two similar triangles. Let us move towards the topic. Firstly, let's quickly recap what we have done in previous classes. Dear students, in previous classes, some of the important points related to this chapter is basic proportionality theorem, our third theorem, converse of third theorem, criteria for similarity of two triangles, angle, side, and side angle, side. Mainly four criteria of the two similar triangles. Now let us start new topic, area of similar triangles. Dear students, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Given ABC and DEF are two similar triangles. Given triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. By criteria of similarity of triangles, to prove area of ABC by area of DEF equal to a square of their areas of their corresponding sides. That means AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, and AC square by DF square. Dear students, construction, draw perpendicular AL to BC and DM to EF. Now in triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base into height. That means 1 by 2 base BC and height AL. And area of triangle DEF equal to 1 by 2 base EF into height DM. So in triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, a given. So by criteria of similarity of two triangles, all corresponding angles are equiangular. All corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are same ratio. Criteria of two similar triangles. Suppose equation 1, and area of ABC equal to 1 by 2 base BC into AL, and area of DEF equal to 1 by 2 base EF into height DM. So area of ABC by DEF equal to 1 by 2 BC into AL, 1 by 2 EF into DM. 1 by 2 cancel. So BC by EF into AL by DM. Equation 2. Dear students, BC by EF into AL by DM, since AL by DM equal to BC by EF, because in similar triangles the ratio of the corresponding sides in the same as the ratio of the corresponding altitude. So AL by DM equal to BC by EF. Using third in equation 2, here AL by DM equal to BC by EF. So area of ABC by DEF equal to BC by EF, and AL by DM equal to BC by EF. So BC by EF into BC by EF, so BC by EF square. Similarly, area of triangle ABC by DEF equal to AB square by DE square, and area of ABC by area of DF equal to AC square by DF square. AC square by DF square. Hence, area of ABC by DEF equal to AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, and AC square by DF square. Your theorem is proved. Again, repeat of this theorem. Given that two triangles ABC and DEF are same ratio, both are same ratio. That means area of triangle ABC is ratio to area of triangle DF by criteria of ratio of two triangles. All angles are equal and their corresponding sides are same ratio. And you find area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DF, and dividing you get BC by EF into AL by AM, and also AL by DM equal to AC by BC by EF, because similar triangles, the ratio of the corresponding sides is the same as the ratio of corresponding attitude. So, using third in 2, we get area of ABC by DF equal to BC square by EF square. Similarly, AB square by DE square and AC square by DF square. So, your theorem, areas of two similar triangles, approved. And next topic is dear students, exercise 6.4. Your first question, let ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF equal to 15.4, find BC. This, and we know that the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their areas of the corresponding sides. So, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to BC square by EF square, or area of ABC by DEF equal to 64 by 121, and BC square by EF equal to 15.4 centimeter. Therefore, BC square equal to 64 into 15.4 by 121, or BC equal to under root 64 square. That means 64 into 15.4 by 121. That means 64 8 square into 15.4 by 121. That means 11 square is equal to 8 by 11 into under root 15.4. After simplification, dear students, EF equal to 15.4. So EF square equal to 15.4 square. So BC equal to 15.4 square. That means 8 by 11 into 15.4 and 11 1 times 0.4, that means 14 into 8 112, that means BC equal to, therefore BC equal to 11.2 centimeter. Answer. And dear students, your question 1 is finished and today's class is over, and your homework is do examples of chapter 6 and also state and prove areas of two similar triangles. Thanks, have a nice day.